Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna ask people to make a sound, and whatever sound they make, I have to do. So, for example, walking, I would have to do that sound for walking. Let's get into it. Hey guys, before I start the video, I want to give a huge shout out to Pineapple Pal. All of y'all have to subscribe to my man, W. And yeah, and that concludes the shout out. Alright, back to the video. Make a sound for walking. Walk. Make noise for jumping. Make a noise for jumping.
Tiny, so be really good at this.
But I need it for a video.
I wish I could get this.
Walk, 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 walk.
Good at this. 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 Good at this.